Welcome to Udemy. In this Microsoft certified Power Platform Fundamental course, you can test your knowledge, working knowledge, and once you are prepared, you can easily go through these test questions, which will be given in this practice test. So, this is the Microsoft Learn blog. Here, you can. This is the price of this course, and here this is just 8 modules in this one path, and you have to just review this. So I have already given this test and I have cleared this. So this is a very basic knowledge. Your basic knowledge will be required in this. So to acquire this Microsoft certified Power Platform Fundamental certificate or badge, you just need to clear this PL 900. So I hope you have all the basic knowledge. So let's walk you through the course. Thank you.